A log flume makes the logs containing passengers flow through a stream of water like a river. It goes up 3 chains like in a roller coaster and goes down like in a water slide. Not every amusement park in the Philippines has this white water raft-like ride.
If you are new to this channel, just hit the subscribe button for free.
This is the log Flume ride in Glorious Fantasyland. I wouldn't have to go to Star City anymore just for this one. But there is one in Mindanao. The log Flume in Visayas is just only for kids. Grown-ups could not ride it. I'm happy that I was able to come to the log Flume in Mindanao because Luzon Canal is too far. That's how it feels to ride a log Flume. You get splashed. That's my long pants getting wet. If you are new to my acrobatic channel, just hit the subscribe button for free.